Just give me my football. Yay! It's official, man. Football season fucking back. This that money season, man. Football season. I don't want to be seeing a whole bunch of this. I don't want to be seeing this. I want to be seeing this. This. Dickhead, I want to be seeing all that. 2024 season. Oh, man. I wish I was able to participate in this season, but you know, y'all gonna see me next season. Right now, I'm gonna be playing the sidelines. Y'all gonna see me on a lot of people's sidelines. High school, college, little league. Just look out, GC. Generation certified, man. These the hoodies y'all gonna be seeing on y'all sideline, the logo. So Philadelphia Public League, this y'all time to shine. We bringing our platform to y'all. All y'all gotta do is show out. We doing the hard part. Y'all just do the easy part. Do what y'all been doing, putting that work in, staying consistent with the work. And you know, everything gonna work in your favor because we giving y'all the platform and the foundation to excel. We had the plan, I just needed a platform. Now y'all got the platform and the plan. Now let's execute. What's your favorite color?
I ain't gonna be on that. I want to see some football.
No face. And they ain't playing enough football for us. This should look like a JV game, bro. No, facts. We gonna show them some good football, bro.
Damn, up in the sky like an airplane.
Hell yeah. One
Up in the
donut.
sky like an
One time.
airplane.
Yeah, swear. We out
Let's
here.
go.
Yeah,
Let's
drilling
go.
crazy, yo. I need one, bro.
Say she won the blessing.
Yeah,
Since
swear.
an adolescent.
Yeah,
I've
bro.
been fucking reckless, ballin' still, young and restless.
What they talking about here? Donuts on their
Ballin'
own.
hard, I feel like MJ.
No littering, folks.
Got my back against the wall.
Bro, when we just talking about this shit, bro?
Yeah, he was waiting for the router and shit so he could dip.
Bro, no, this shit crazy.
We'll take it to the sky. Don't ask me where we going. We gon' take it to the sky. It's the Click GC certified.
Game live, y'all. We gonna have a fun time. We have a fun time. We gonna see Coach Swerve do his thing. Let's go. Tune in.
Proud American.
It's the Click GC certified. It's the Click. It's the Click GC. It's the Click. It's the Click GC. It's the Click. It's the Click GC. It's the Click. It's the Click. God damn.
Oh! What you guys say about that? It's gonna be a tight game.
Holding penalty against freshman Ryan.
Come on, Hutch, we need that. Ooh, we need that, Hutch, we need that. Come on, next play, let's go. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Next play. Next play then. I told him next play. That's how we do it, Hutch. He picked that shit. He picked that stewing section lit though.
He's coming off the line at 10 yards. I see you looking for the ball. You gotta be sprinting. Sprinting, take that safety out. They're not respecting speed. You know how fast this guy is.
Damn! He got flipped on his nugget. Wow. 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 That was Saudi. Come on, third down. We need a touchdown. We need a touchdown. We need a touchdown. Go ahead, go up. Good catch, boy. That was a great first down. Okay, blur no camera. I do that?
You know I am.
Who is you? Who is you?
You know I be at Keita. You already know that.
Oh, my fault. Ain't over yet. Grab me. Halftime here. We chilling right now on the bench. Oh man, it's a good game. 10-13. Father Judge scored right before the half. They get the ball back. They coming out with some momentum right now. How you feeling, bro?
A little frustrated. We should have a better half, hopefully, man. We're gonna see trust the core, man. The depth of our core. We got a young core, so a lot of it is.
Who told y'all to do that?
I'm really just surprised because I like that.
Yeah.
I like,
Let's go.
Swerve need to give me the merch.
You need to drop that merch, right?
Yes,
He
bro.
bullshit?
Yes.
All right, we gonna have that merch real soon.
Since an adolescent,
You training?
I've been thugging reckless,
Where you training at?
still young and restless.
Who is
Ballin'
us?
hard, I feel like
And GC and them. All right.
got my back against the
Let's go.
wall. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Feel like hard and step back three, then I'm falling. I can't lie, generation certified. Show my youngins how to grind.
Damn. Wow. Mad at me because they getting torched on. Don't check me, check your players, nigga.
It's the click. 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 God damn.
Tryna slow my motion, you ain't slick.
Get on the gas, get on the
Popping
gas.
on the gram, you the shit. Ballin', I've been at it since
He was on his ass like Bobby Boucher. God damn.
It's the click. 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 God damn.
17-19, Ryan. They going for two. They try to put him out of their misery. Hey, tuck your shit one, tuck your shit
It's the
one.
click. It's the click. It's the click. It's the click.
They up about four
It's the
right
click.
now. Let's see if Father
It's
Judge
the
can
click.
get a second comeback.
It's the click. God damn.
Yeah. Throw it back down.
It's the click. 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 God damn.
No bad. What's your favorite color?
The click. It's the click.